Kirene kirengagio KWAGACHA CHINYOMBA cherigo Riainse ESUKURU obubundi ya BORABU ase county ya Nyamira somo county commissioner bwe county yo Erastus Mbui anyare koba gakoenekia ase arachekonekio Obwagachi obo bw'Echinyomba ESEREKARI cherigo Riainse gose affordable houses ase ESUKURU yo obubundi egotoka ase bunge ya BORABU aya no sasa moigoyo mbaikirana haroraba obisakuru ase Obwagachi bw'Echinyomba kurwa ase kiombekeria TVET haba obisabechi ndemero umunyakonda kurwa ase kiombekeria Slick International naboigo abobisa au chinyomba icho gose hostels echichire chia abarokigwa nigo bono chirache koera ase hegeka kyo mwaka yomo oribosio na nigo chirache koimokia abarokigwa chimisato na 40 unagotoma nyumurikito Vincent Munda.
I want to take this opportunity to hand over the site for all that appertains to the construction of this magnificent building here in BORABU TTI.
Chinyomba echo cherigo Riainse echo chirengete koba boraro abarokibwa chimisato ne 40 nigo chigo cha KWAGACHA nsejega kyo mwaka oyamo abo ase chikwera chibese cha serikali chimilioni 140 chibese cha Kenya.
We got some around 14 billion that was brought here through joint venture between the national government and Kuwait government to fund around 68 schools. These were given to local contractors, and this is where the local contractors are shaming us. Most of them have abandoned the sites.
Ege kulero gocha somo nyakonda aine kibune gasi yaye ne chikobengia na ndengo yikirania ra sege kekyo mwaka oyamo.
And that's why the lead was saying that we will hold the project manager responsible in case of show the works. And show the works includes failure to complete the project within the stipulated time. Wewe mwenyewe umesign ukijua kwamba I have 1 year to handle it. And then midway you start bringing other issues. Then why did you quote? That's where we are failing as Kenyans. Local contractors, whether road construction, doing building constructions, you find a majority of them kuna mahali wanafika wanaanguka tu.
Mwarimu wa munene w'esukuru yo ya BORABU Dr. Momanyi Were nigaorokire rango yarengarora soko nyora chinyomba bunecho.
BORABU Technical Training Institute is a government institution. We have a total population of 1,800 students. We are glad to welcome you today to the site handing over for affordable housing, student hostels. There's been a challenge of our students operating from a bit far, from Kebirigo, from Nyamira, and others are also operating from Nyaramba. In this case, the government has come at the right time to give us these hostels for our students.
Momanyi nigabwata gosemere buna chinyomba echo gichirakore KWAGACHA njichikobe chengencho mono gocha saba orkiwa na boigo gocha ESUKURU yo ya BORABU.
It will enable us in our training to give better skills because the students will be near, and it will enable our students also to operate comfortably from a nearest point to their workshops. BORABU Technical Training Institute offers various courses. We are glad to inform you that we offer the required skills that is required by the current government. Skills which can enable them to work wherever or all parts of our country, Kenya.
Omunyakondo yo kurase kiombekia Slick International nigatebira Obwagachi obo bw'Echinyomba chance ebinyoro birange gabo mbichikanyoro gosirwa asenge ncho nabo bagochekoe amabaga matangani yo kolega asieyo.
On the issue of employment, I'm also a local. The beautiful thing about it. So let it be known that whoever is going to work here has to be a local, not unless for the technical jobs, which you must get the technical guys to do it. So for that end, that one is not a problem for us, because if I'm a local, I don't intend to get, where do I get the people if not our local people? So that one's confirmed, I will get our local people.
ESEREKARI nigo yanchere bene Obwagachi bw'Echinyomba cherigo Riainse ime ESUKURU ya BORABU Technical Training Institute echichigo chiko chaka koba chiko kolegasi inseyege kakyo mwaka ya mokurubono. Vincent Munda, Ensoko TV.